Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music on Snapchat video. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Start by tapping open your Snapchat application from your app drawer and make sure that you're logged in first. Once you are, go ahead and add a video from your camera library or simply take a video right now by tapping on the circle of the screen. Press hold to it in order to take a video. Now once you've recorded a video, you can simply tap on the music icon located at the upper left hand corner of the screen right beneath the scissors icon, and from the list of the featured music displayed on the next page, choose one of the music that you'd like to add on your video. You can preview the music first before adding it on by tapping on the play button right next to the music, or you can simply select the music by tapping it on. Now select the part of the music by dragging this slider towards the right or the left side. Once you pick the part that you'd like to add on your video, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right. And that way, you can easily add music on your Snapchat video just like that. Finally, tap on the send to button and you can now upload this video on your Snapchat story or simply send it to one of your friends or followers. That was how you can easily add music on Snapchat video. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.